I'm Mr. Pete, and I'm in Cardamino in the Pelusia Hotel. I'm going to show you around my apartment now, and in the kitchen we'll start here. Nice cooking rings. There's our pizza box from last night, and a sink. A very nice basic kitchen, you know, a lovely kitchen, and as you can see there's the bed. Nice bed in the kitchen, makes sense. Wouldn't be a kitchen without a bed. And there's a table. And you can go and see, look, there's our living area, very nice. Look. For you to succeed in a large ensuite bathroom, I'll have to stand at the door because we can't fit the phone in as well as me. Now the cornerstone of technology, we've got the shower wedged in the window. It's genius that, isn't it? Doing that in Britain before you know it. I'll show you the beautiful view from this apartment. It's very, very nice. Doesn't get better than this. Better than a nice satellite dish with solar panels. Traffic. It's very nice. Well, that was Pistol Pete reporting from the Cardamino and Pelusia apartments. Sure you think it's very, very nice, and well, I hope to see you very, very soon. Bye bye now.